Hi, I'm Andy Marsh. I'm the REOC Chair for CCNZ Auckland branch. We're here at the Franklin A&P Show just for the Auckland region excavator operator competition. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day.
CP, CablePrice, and the other next one is
Over the past 2 days, we've had 24 competitors come through and do a number of challenges on two Hitach machines, the 13.5 tonne and the 4.7 tonne. The main objective of the competition is to find the #1 operator in the Auckland region. They will then go on to represent Auckland region at the national competition that's being held in Fulton in March.
It was an awesome experience. Some of the challenges were harder than I expected, and some of them were a lot easier. I found the paint challenge more difficult than it looked, just with the flexibility in the shaft holding the actual paintbrush. My favourite challenge was the bucket of water on the plank. Really used all of my skills trying to get it across there. All in all, it was an awesome day here at the digger competition. I really enjoyed myself. It pushed me to my limits, and I'm looking forward to potentially coming back next year.